Hi, this is Tim Hance with All Islands Home Inspections. Pictured here is a metal B-vent flue pipe for the furnace and water heater within an attic. If you look closely, you'll notice it's in direct contact with roof sheathing on the side here and underlayment, felt underlayment from when the roof was replaced. This is a very common call out, surprisingly. When a roof is replaced, the roofing contractors don't always cut back roofing materials or the felt underlayment here. Here's the deal. These flue pipes need to have 1 inch free and clear around them at all times because they get hot and it can lead to a safety issue. It could actually burn the house down. So in this instance, I recommended that the contractor provide proper clearance around the flue pipe. They'll need to cut this back and they'll probably need to relocate and move this flue pipe over a little bit because it's in direct contact with OSB sheeting up here in the attic. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure when you have your roof re-roofed that the roofing contractor provides proper clearance around any existing hot flue pipes.